Are you looking to make your website faster, safer, and easier to manage, all for free? In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through the basics of using Cloudflare. By the end of this video, you'll have your website running on Cloudflare's powerful global network, with added security and performance, and you'll know exactly how to take advantage of Cloudflare's core features. Let's get started right away. To begin, head over to cloudflare.com. If you don't already have an account, signing up is quick and free. Just use your email and create a secure password. Once you're logged in, look for the Add a Site button. Click it and simply enter your website's domain name, like yourwebsite.com. Think of this as telling Cloudflare, hey, this is the website I want to accelerate and protect. After that, you'll be prompted to choose a plan. For most people just starting out, the free plan is perfect. You get the essentials without any cost or risk. Select that and hit Continue. Now Cloudflare gets to work scanning your site's DNS records. You might be wondering, what are DNS records and why should I care? Simply put, DNS records are like the map that tells the internet how to find everything connected to your domain, whether that's your web server or records, email service MX records, or subdomain CNAME records. When Cloudflare finishes its scan, take a minute to double-check these details. Make sure everything matches what your hosting provider or email service uses, so nothing breaks during the transition. If you see anything missing or incorrect, don't worry, you can edit these records directly, just like updating a contact in your phone. Once you confirm your DNS records, Cloudflare will show you two unique name servers. It'll be something like Alice NS Cloudflare.com and Bob NS Cloudflare.com. These are special addresses you'll need in the next phase. The next step is to head over to wherever you bought your domain. Think GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or another registrar. Logging into your account there, find the DNS or nameserver settings for your domain. This part might look a little different depending on the company, but the idea is always the same. You want to replace the original nameservers with the two Cloudflare gave you. Consider the nameservers like the post office for your domain, telling the world where mail should be delivered. By updating them, you're telling the internet, hey, Cloudflare is in charge now, take your time with this. It's a crucial step. But don't stress if you're not totally familiar with these settings. Support articles or customer support at your registrar can also help if you get stuck. With that done, all that's left is a little waiting. When you change name servers, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, and in rare cases, up to 48 hours for the change to spread across the internet. During this period, it's totally normal for some visitors to use your old settings, while others use the new. Just give it time, and Cloudflare will notify you when your site is active on their network. Once it's up, you'll have a new dashboard where you can manage your DNS records. Enable SSL to secure your visitors' connections. Turn on caching to speed up your site, and dial up security features to protect against attacks. From here, you're ready for the next steps. Adding or editing DNS records, enabling powerful firewall rules for extra security. Turning on automatic HTTPS rewriting to make sure all traffic is secure. And even exploring features like Cloudflare Pages for hosting static sites, or Cloudflare Tunnels for connecting to local resources safely. And that's all it takes to get started with Cloudflare. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like. And if you have any questions or get stuck anywhere, drop a comment. I read and reply to as many as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your faster, safer website.